tamge dugji shakji risu chung yenji mito duji pungjam serjir lumbo dabru jibe gu chaji jabu shabla chaksal lo. Greetings to everyone. This is a particular message related with Palpung Europe project in Austria, Germany, and few other countries, to whom I have put in charge the Chuje Lama Gelhoma Palmo. I have to say this very clearly because there is also Palpung in UK, Palpung in Finland, Palpung in France, Palpung in Slovenia, Palpung in Spain, etc. In the great continent of Europe. The project which I have entrusted to the Chujenama Geloma Palmo is involved with three things. First is to have good, meaningful Dharma center in respective cities where people show the interest and people wanted to learn Dharma. So for them, good place should be available. Of course, it is not the way of my lineage or my institution, the Palpung institution, that we go and look for places and look for people. We never do that. People have to be there first. And then when people are interested to learn the Dharma, then we have to look for the good place. And the place for the learning of the Dharma has to be a respectable place and a clean place and a safe place, and it has to be suitable for practicing and teaching of the Dharma and Dharma activities. That's one thing. Another thing is Dharma service, because Dharma service should be not just praying and meditating and teaching the philosophy and meditation, of course, which I included. But when I say Dharma activity, it means the activities that will directly benefit others in a day-to-day situation. Because in today's world, there are so many people for whom tomorrow is very far away, and next week is very far away, next year is very far away, but they have problem right now, and they are lost right now. They need solution right now. They need help right now. They wanted to have good understanding about themselves, and also they have to solve a problem which matters for them right now. So this is a Dharma service. And this will include taking care of environmental issues as well. because environmental issues, we cannot say today I mess up everything and tomorrow I'm going to clean it. We shouldn't mess up things in the first place. So we have to be mindful about environment, mindful about other people's feeling, mindful about people around us, mindful about ourselves all the time, right now, not later, all the time. So that is the second thing. And third is when there is lots of people who are interested in the Dharma, they learn the Dharma, they come to the weekly or monthly or yearly programs, then they need some kind of continuation. They need to do some kind of retreat. They have to do some kind of really deep thinking, deep contemplation. And so for all of those practices, then they need a quiet place, a little bit far away from the city. And you can call it a country center, but it should be more like a quiet place where good number of people can come and settle for some time, according to their schedule, of course. And then they will have a more detailed study, more thorough study, and also more deeper and longer retreats, practices, and trainings, in a proper environment. And it should be good for the people of the locality in their own everyday life. It should be good for the people who come and study and practice the Dharma. And also, it should be very carefully run so that it is a true Dharma place. It should not become some kind of doing some kind of resort sort of thing in the name of Dharma. Not like that. It has to be true Dharma place, true Dharma sanctuary. So that is a third thing. And right now, I am telling you these three. And then once these three are there, then we will see what is needed. Because what we want to do is one thing. But actually what matters is we should do what we need to do, what people need, what the individuals and groups of people who wanted to learn the Dharma, who come to the Dharma, what they need. So we have to do that. We have to do everything to fulfill that. Of course, following the tradition of the locality and the law of the locality and the sentiment of the locality. It has to be all incorporated into it, so it becomes good at the beginning, good in the middle, and good all the way through. So it should be positive and good all the way. And I wanted to tell you this, and this is some sort of introduction as well as some sort of letting you know, so that you know what is going on. And also I definitely know many of you going to participate in one way or another. I know many of you will involve and contribute to this Palpung project, Dharma activity, one way or another. And I pray that all of you get benefit for this life as well as for many future lives from the Holy Dharma. And also it will benefit your locality and after all the entire world, and also all mother sentient beings wide as space. And I sincerely believe that Chuje Lama Gelongma Palmo will be able to serve sentient beings and Dharma of Lord Buddha's teaching, the Holy Dharma, through the institution and tradition and the lineage of the Palpung, the Mount of Excellence. All the best. All the best to everyone. Buddha bless you. Buddha bless you. Sunamde tamji zikwa ni tamne nyebe danam pam che ne jega nanji balap chupa yi sibe sole drowa sho